What are the new wheels you got, brother?
We got new AMG forged one-piece monoblock. Yes, sir.
You guys seen him before on the channel, and he got some different wheels on there. Looks sick. Okay, we'll keep that open. And then I got the bike out here. I followed them with this. Again, my helmet is on if you can't hear me. And then you've seen him a while back. He lowered his car now too. It was, I think, on low. You had lowering springs, yeah, and now you have coilovers. And now you got coilovers. And that fitment looks absolutely sick. Guys, what do you think about this car, like the newer versions? I think they're slow, but they're reliable, nice, and yeah, you can build them to be nice. Got the forged carbon there. And yeah.
Yo, chill, it's too dirty. Stop getting too close. It's dirty.
What wheels are these?
Auto Hans. Straight from the factory, monoblock. From the factory.
There's calipers. You see that? Matches the bike.